Hey everyone, Daniel here, and I am the host of AI Marketing Hub. Today we're gonna vibe code. We're gonna update our current Rankenstein Pro. And to start, just a few things about myself. Once again, my name is Daniel, and I am the host of AI Marketing Hub, where AI creators connect, share, and grow. Oh, even a YouTube video here right there was playing as I was checking right now the live. So guys, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna vibe code, we're gonna update my current Rankenstein, and just for information, Rankenstein or Rankenstein series, if you don't know about them, you can check my YouTube, guys. Inside here, I will just gonna press on video, so I'm gonna just give you a look around exactly what we are working on exactly. So Rankenstein series, if really, the story is quite interesting. So it started with Rankenstein. Before it was an N10 workflow. I'll make it even easier. So right here you can see in school. So starting first in May, on 2nd of May, which was basically, wow, half a year ago, you can say. We started first with Rankenstein version 4. It was, of course, version 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth one that I shared for everyone inside our community. And also, guys, by the way, these workflows are free for you. So just you can join our AI marketing hub right there in school. You're going to find the links down in the description. And just for information, we have quite a big story with Rankenstein. We had V1, V2, 3, 4, V7, which was a little bit more complex in regards to creating those specific blogs or articles, V8, V8 Pro, V9.2, and today, and especially today, we are covering Rankenstein, you can say Pro, Rankenstein V9, the ultimate Rankenstein. My plan here, because here I'm working with my partner Benjamin, we are publishing this on the cloud, so no N10 workflows right here. It's a full vibe coded app with Claude Code, and it just does wonders. It's just fantastic. So hope you're gonna enjoy the ride. Anytime, any moment you have a comment or anything, just type it there, guys. I'll even take this. I'm gonna put it on the side for myself, so I'll see if any of you types any messages, etc., and so on. So it will be a long session. I will see like how long I can go for, maybe 1, 2, or 3 hours. We're gonna see. Sometimes I'll turn off the camera, sometimes I'll turn on the camera, sometimes I will not speak, maybe depending on the engagement exactly that we have here today in this live session. Yeah. So as you see right now on my screen, here you can see we have 1 Claude, 2 Claudes, and 3 Claudes right here. Just for information, here it's our current demo of our Rankenstein Pro. And here I will just gonna show you also our website that also was vibe coded using Rankenstein Pro. So I'm just gonna magnify this, so I'm gonna show you for reference. By the way, guys, if you wanna check it or if you wanna join the waitlist, please go to Rankenstein.pro. You can join. So just here is our website. Also, if you want, of course, you can click any elements. This is just a demo dashboard of exactly our current Rankenstein Pro application. And once again, everyone, everything here was vibe coded with, well, it was a combination of tools, if really. We started with, well, as I mentioned before, N10, the previous versions. We tried AI Studio with Rankenstein V9 Mini, which is also for free, by the way. You can find it inside the community. And now we decided to build a SaaS out of it and to build the world's finest and the best content creator for articles, for blogs. You can name the blogs. Also, we're going to make e-listicles in general, anything related to that. Yeah. So please join our waitlist. It's just there. We're going to see when we launch. Our expected launch will going to be maybe by mid next month. You can also try it live by pressing just a few buttons here and there. This is our website. You can see exactly how our current application is. And additionally, of course, I will show you a demo of how our current application is also working. Because here we have specific features that you can insert, you can use to create the best blogs in the world right there for you live. So I'll be recording these sessions. So then we're going to see like maybe today, sometime, tomorrow, also the day after. I'll see like based on possibilities and everything else. Yeah. So this is a Rankenstein Pro. You can have a look. There's a website. You can find it in the description. And now let me show you a demo of the app. I think that will be, we can start with that. So let me just put it here. Vibe coding is so much fun. Hey, Jasper, what's up? What's up? Welcome. Yeah, man, it's so fun. It's so fun. I'm just adoring it, because even here I have 3 agents. On my other screen right there on the left, I have 2 more agents. For now, these agents are on standby because I want to record. I want to show live people like, hey, it's not as hard as it is nowadays, like just to vibe code anything you want. And the only limit, I would say today, is your imagination. So I'll make myself smaller. Whoop, right here. So guys, let me show you first a demo of the application, how it crafts for you those blocks, and then afterwards we're gonna commence towards the vibe coding, because currently, as you're gonna see right now, this is our local version. We're gonna have, now we have also the cloud version that we're currently publishing. We're gonna share with the community. So yeah, if you want to see also more about these things, just drop a like and comment, subscribe, and let me show you exactly how this whole process works. So, for example, here in projects, everything here is done automatically. Inside here, we have the page rank keywords. If you're going to press it here, it's a new site, so it doesn't have any keywords for now. Internal links, design system, brand photos, as you're going to see right now. All of these things is done automatically by artificial intelligence inside the Rankenstein Pro, by the way. The current AI we're using inside is Gemini. We're still thinking exactly how we can do it better in the future, but let me show you in action. So I'm going to press now a new article. How the process works. Imagine you have a project set in Rankenstein Pro, and here straight away you have, I'll even magnify right here. So you will have suggestions, and these suggestions are based on your specific niche or specific business. So if I'm going to choose right now, let's say how to automate internal linking for SEO growth, what is research first publishing, okay, and 5 best research first SEO tools for agencies. I think the first one will work. Now, as I made this action and I chose a specific suggestion which was recommended by AI based on our business, here we have a multi-agentic system that is considered right now even. Right here, it's doing 4 calls in parallel. So it fetched DataForSEO data like SERP, Live, Google data. It scanned our website for relevant pages, selected 1 internal pages for linking because currently we have only 1 there. We need to index that page also because it's just brand new, guys. Rankenstein Pro is brand new. As I mentioned before, it is and it will become one of the best article creation SEO system in the world, because that's our main goal right here. So we are doing here a parallel research on the side. So we are checking SERP data, we're checking what people are asking for, we're checking what our competitors are doing, their keywords, their customers, So now, because this does take time for humans, like to do all this research. And here we're using just specialized AI agents that are responsible for this. So they are researching right now live as we speak. This usually takes like around 1 to 2 minutes, but this is a very good research. Maybe in the future I'll try to put some more feedback right here for you guys, so maybe you'll be able to see exactly what exactly this system is researching. As I mentioned before, right now we are doing a demo. Afterwards, I will show you and I'll, in general, how to vibe code. I would say I'll just vibe code it live, and you can be there. You can just send comments. You can send whatever likes or anything like that. Just comment if you have any question. Just let me know, because it's more fun when you communicate with other people live, I would say. So guys, don't be shy. Just comment. If you scrolled already forward right now, just comment like, hey there. And yeah, just share your feedback. Maybe if you have some, let's say, intelligence in regards to blog creation or EAT or SEO, and if you have maybe some tips and tricks, if really, please share. I would love to hear exactly your thoughts and what you want to do in general, So right now, as you see, the research has finished. So it took a total of like around 2 minutes. And right now you can see we have the topic that we selected. We have search intelligence, and you can see right there, straight away, answer these to rank higher. So what does it mean? Every SERP or every search that you're currently making online, there's also other people making searches, And based on the whole, you can say overall tree, what people are asking for, we have these. So this is what currently live today. Now people are asking for in regards to the current topic that was selected, which is the how to automate internal linking for SEO growth in 2026. Yeah. So here, what is internal linking automation? People are asking this, how to automate internal linking for SEO. So this is also being asked, this and this and this and this. Yeah. If I'm gonna scroll right now down, you're gonna see also competitors right here. Oh wow, that arrow became a little bit bigger. So you can see the competitors right there. Here we have our top 3 competitors, and if we're going to press on more, we also have some more details in regards to that. So once again, here we have that AI system that is doing all of this research. It's checking competitors, checking keywords, checking what people are asking for, and also here we have keywords. So these are not just any keywords, just for information. These are keywords relevant to the topic, and also because every page has keywords that it is ranking for. And this system avoids those conflicts because let's say if you have one page that ranked for a specific keyword before in regards to SEO, if you don't know what SEO is. So if you have some pages that, ranked on Google or on SERP, and for us not to overpower those pages and not to make any sort of conflicts, we need to choose specific, other keywords. I would say, yeah. You can check more because here we're using the strategy of long tail keywords inside our blog. We can easily generate more if we don't like any of these, for example. Yeah. Also, of course, we can remove, and also, of course, we can add manually if you want any specific keywords. Right now, SEO, let's say 2026. Yeah, as an example, right there. So it was added right here. And what this is doing, and I want to even add all of these. So this is taking all these keywords and putting them together because we're going to use these keywords inside our blogs. Yeah, inside our future blog or article that was created. Additional here, we have internal links. Currently, we do not index the website yet because we're currently building, as I mentioned before. So it's getting the internal links. If you have, let's say, 10, 20, 100, or 1000, it will pick just the relevant internal links based on the current topic that currently was chosen right here. Yeah. We have citations, and these citations are from trusted online sources, not competitors. Sometimes can be competitors, so this is your mission right now to check that, hey, everything is proper. So even checking right now, idea magic, so this is okay. The first one was not okay, so I will just even remove this. So now I'm gonna press on generate outline. Now what's happening here, by the way, it's something really interesting. It's crafting for us the outline, and we're gonna have also the possibility to generate an audio summary. Using Gemini TTS model, it's 2.5 flash there. We're gonna have also a voice model, or voice we can choose between a full article, or I'll even show you right now. So we have audio summary right here. You can see here, you can toggle on or off if you want to have the summary. You can choose between summary, extended, and full articles. I'll just want to choose 60. Okay, let's go for extended. Why not? I mean, whatever, So here, right now, as the outline was generated, damn it, I forgot to show you fully also properly the outline, but the outline itself was generated based on the whole research that was done till the present day. So now imagine you're a content writer or a copywriter or whatever, a blog writer, article writer, or a newsletter specialist, anything, and usually these things takes, well, I would say hours. But so far, everything here was done in just minutes. The research took 2 minutes. Now our mission will be just to review that research, to see if we want to add more, we can add more. And overall, that's it. I mean, now already your, I would say, expertise will going to come into hand. Because the information now available online, well, if really from some sources, it's very dull. And it's very important to know exactly trusted sources to get that information from, to check for readability, copywriting, SEO, etc., and so on. So even now, as we speak, you can see that the typewriter is writing. So right now, the AI is just sitting there and he's typing these whole things. So boom, just like that, the blog was generated. Right now, here we have also a loading. It's writing that generate media, because inside our blogs, we will not have only just the blog and the cover image. We're going to have an audio summary, we will have images, we will have charts, and of course, a very good content, because that's the mission of Rankenstein Pro, to become the world's best article creator in the world. So, right now, I'll just wait for these images and charts to be processed. I will not move up yet. So I can show you exactly how it's being generated. Okay, images were generated. I'll even scroll more now up, and we're gonna see, guys, look at this cover image. Now imagine you're creating a blog, or you're creating a listicle, or an article, or whatever, Here, the system, we're using Nano Banana Pro to generate the images in general inside our blogs. And based on the brand photos that we have set inside the project settings, which is basically here, yeah. So based on that, the cover image is being generated. And if you don't like the image, of course, you can easily press on edit. So this will also once again be available inside Rankenstein Pro, or to generate if you want to. So now let's scroll down. And I'm gonna show you just around our beautiful application, because the coolest part about Rankenstein Pro is that the editing part, guys. It's so much fun. It's so much fun because I'm gonna show you around. So right now the audio is being generated. So we're gonna just wait for the audio to be generated. I'm gonna play it. You will try to listen, and at the same time between the fields, I'm gonna show you also just a few options that we can do. And right now it was finished. Let me just give it a play.
How to automate internal linking for SEO growth in 2026. Ever feel like you're playing a never-ending game of whack-a-mole with your internal links? You publish a new post, but by the time you link it back to your older content, the site architecture has already changed. In 2026, if you are still using manual spreadsheets to track your internal links, you are not just falling behind, you are standing still. Welcome to the era of automated internal linking. Let us be real. Once your site hits 500 pages, manual linking becomes impossible. Research shows that manual link logs are often outdated within just 72 hours of publication. That is a massive lag that brands in fast-paced niches simply cannot afford. Automation is now mandatory to prevent orphan content and keep your site indexable.
Okay, thank you, Sharon. Anyway, just for information, you got it, right? You can generate any blog, any audio summary or more extended inside your blogs. They will be embedded inside the blogs as you've seen right there in preview. And we've just previewed the blog while this guy was providing us the summary and the audio. And now I'm gonna show you just the best part, because the blog looked cool, but it can be better. So let's make it better. Here I can press. You can see right now the content, right? I can press any box. And here I have the shorten, expand, formalize, simplify, or even regenerate. For me, this part, for example, I want to maybe, okay, just leave it as it is even because it's quite nice. I'll just press on insert. Okay, first let's even show you just as a demo just how this part also worked. I'm gonna press on expand, and now basically what it's doing is just getting that exact same paragraph, and also it's reading the overall blog, and then it's expanding the content. So if you want to shorten it, let's say maybe there's too much, you can just even shorten it, So look at that, straight away it was expanded. And again, 2026, guys, here the time stamp is fully actual in the present day. Also, when you scroll between the boxes, you see that here I have this insert option, right? So you can see even these lines right there. In these lines, yeah, between each and every paragraph in H2, we have also the possibility to insert options. So if you're going to press right now on insert, here I can choose text. So I can choose bullet point, number list, block quotes, or paragraph, even if I want short, medium, or long, or checklist. Let's maybe press on table. I will choose key takeaways. This will be fun because it's part of the introduction also, but here we already have the key takeaways. Okay, I will delete this part. We already had here the key takeaways, so I think it will not be good for readability, right? But even like that, you can see that there's the key takeaways. So I will just maybe press on this, and I will just remove it because I don't want to have the key takeaways there, maybe something else. So let's choose another table. I'll go maybe feature matrix. I think this will be quite nice. So once again, you can insert in any part of the blog, between paragraphs, between H2s, etc., below or above. You can insert any tables with the help of AI, and this is damn fascinating. Look at this. Now, I'm going to scroll more down, and I'm going to just fill out our credentials. Okay, transparency, disclosure, perfect. And why automate internal linking? Okay, this graph, not quite well. I'm going to just press now on template, and I will choose maybe perhaps a pie chart. It's good, but can be better? Absolutely, yes. But I would say that here, a pie chart will be a lot more better. So now imagine, I just changed right now the template. So I just changed because that specific bar chart was provided by the AI. And for me, I just wanted to have a different style. And just now I just chose the template. I'm just going to scroll more down. We'll see. Oh, here will be a nice place for an image, right? So I'm going to press here and insert image. And now I can choose also what sort of image I want to insert. Let's see. Here we can choose, let's go for atmospheric perhaps, document, text overlay. Let's go for blueprint or sketch. I think blueprint or sketch will be much fun right now. Yeah. And guys, anyone watching right now live, please comment, please share your thoughts. I want to hear exactly what do you think about this whole thing, because yeah, any feedback if really will be appreciated. And just drop a comment. And hey, now it's generating the image. In the meantime, I'll just drink a sip of coffee. Sorry guys if the demo is taking too long, But I just want to show you just the essence of this whole process, because it was vibe coded with Rankenstein, with Claude Code. Rankenstein was vibe coded with Claude Code, yeah? And now look at this, the image was generated, also saved to cloud, because here we're saving the images to our cloud. Here we can have also maybe another, let's go for a little chart. It will be nice to have, just to have a little bit more visuals inside our blog. Maybe it's too much, perhaps. Yeah, it's too much in the beginning. We're gonna add more on the bottom, but look at that. So even now, by the way, the AI is choosing the relevant text for each and every chart. And of course, if you want to edit any parts of the charts, you can easily edit with one easy edit button. Yeah. So right here, okay, this looks good. I'm just gonna read it also as we go. Here we have also our table, which is perfect. I'm gonna go more down. There's another image. So there we have a chart, we have a table, here we have an image, and there we have the FAQ. And I think here we can add just maybe another, perhaps, let's go for an image. Yeah, and we're gonna choose maybe one document texture. I think it'll be quite fun. There's different templates for each specific insertion. And of course, if you want to have, let's say, your own image, you can easily just press insert. And you can upload from device, from your computer or from your phone. Because our main point here also is to make this application live online, so people can just register, connect their whatever Shopify there is, or WordPress, or HubSpot, or anything, and just for them to be able to make blog posts on using their phone. Oh my goodness, look at this picture. Fantastic. I love it. Perfect. So this looks good. Alternatives to full automation. Okay, so there we have our FAQ. FAQ can automate how many, limitations on automation. And I think here we can press another insert. I think it's okay. We can just maybe, I'll add here at the end, maybe some key takeaways. I'll press here and insert, text, no, table, even in between, table and key takeaways right here. It'll be nice to have also some key takeaways at the end so people will know. Of course, if I want also to add maybe here, let's say a call to action, we can do that also. If you want to have the classic canvas, you can also have the classic canvas, but I think our blog is finished. Now let's give it a look once again. I'm gonna press on preview. This is our finished blog. How long it took for me to, of course, we would like to read it more, but here we have our blog. Here is our featured image, which is fantastic. Here we have article summary.
How to automate internal linking for SEO growth in 2026.
Beautiful, right? Here we have key takeaways. We have the strategic shift with manual linking. Okay, here we have the table that we've inserted, outer credentials, transparency and disclosure. This is the chart that we have changed, which is fantastic. Look at this, beautiful. Here we have also the image that we generated, and also all the images are going to have alt text and meta description, just for information. Here we have also the chart, beautiful. Tables, we have also, of course, the external and internal links, just for information. Yeah, here we have another image with the alt, another one, and I would say this is a very, very nice blog. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blog that was generated now with the help of AI. Of course, we, right now as a reviewer, we will review the article, check maybe if anything legal is not there, etc. and so on. And of course, if you want to go not from blogs, but for Canvas, you can just press here, ching, and this will be basically the way how you can also view Canvas style. Yeah. Oh, wow. Something went wrong. Return to dashboard. Well, it happens, guys. So it means now there's an error that I need to work on. But you get the point right now, right? I will just go back. I'm going to show you just how the publishing phase is, integration, and then I'll just gonna be vibe coding for a bit, for some time. And I hope you will like, and I hope you liked what I showed you just now, because I don't know how you're writing blogs, or in general if you're writing blogs, and why you need to write blogs, because of course you need to write articles, posts on whatever, LinkedIn, blogs, blah, blah, because if you want to increase your topical authority, if you want to be, let's say, maybe if you have an agency, or if you have, let's say, if you're an owner of a company, if you want to have more audience, more trust, more credibility, I would say this everything is achieved using content, and that's one small part only of everything, yeah? So here as I press on the next step, this is the draft. It was before the draft that I was showing that you can edit whatever. Here we have the publish. So before publishing, of course, we have another preview right here. Okay, here maybe the markdown is not properly set, so I'll just gonna review through that also. I'll make a fix. But this is the blog that we've created. I can export it as HTML, PDF, Markdown. So even now I export it as HTML. Let me try to view it. So look at this. We have the audio.
How to automate internal linking for SEO growth in 2026. Ever feel like you're playing a never-ending game of whack-a-mole with your internal links? You publish a new post, but by the time you link it back to your older content, the site architecture has already changed. In 2026, if you are still using manual spreadsheets to track your internal links, you are not just falling behind.
Okay, so now also I've spotted one small bug that also again I'm going to fix it during the session, is that not all the charts were visible there. But so far it's doing great. I mean, you've seen what it does, right? We have also schema. So in case if you need a schema for your site, everything is set based on the article itself, yeah? So it's very important, especially now in the AI age, to have this schema right there. And I'll say we have also metadata. We have article title, topic, handle, category, metadata. We have publishing info, featured image, and keywords and tags if you want to copy keywords and tags. And yeah, of course, you can download as PDF. We'll be able to publish to WordPress and to Shopify. So if you're going to press right now and add. For now, we've set these three. We're planning to add HubSpot and a few other platforms, maybe like Ghost or something like that. So we're going to see exactly which one would be better. Yeah. So this is for now. We have WordPress, Shopify, and of course custom webhook, which you can connect, I think, to any platform you want. But of course, we're going to have even more as time allows. Okay, so this is the demo of Rankenstein and how it works. Now what I will continue on is, because this is the local version, we have the cloud version, and right now I'm adapting the cloud version, just making a few updates. So we're going to have a beautiful platform. And guys, once again, if you want to use our platform, please join our hub, and please join using Rankenstein.pro. Just join the waitlist. We have the join waitlist if you want to use this platform in future. I think we'll launch it give or take by mid next month. Yeah. So I will magnify this and I will continue just doing my work, because I was doing till now solo, and I'm like, hey, let me just record this live and let me just share it with everyone, you know, because I hope you learn something useful right here. Yep. Oh, just give me one moment. I do have a call right now on the phone. In the meantime, please enjoy the Rankenstein. Just 30 seconds. Sorry guys, business called. And yeah, going back. So currently what's happening right there? What do you see there on the screen? I mean, there. Like this? I think like this, yeah. So yeah, there in general. Here we're using, you can see three chats. We have 1, 2, and 3. All these three chats are Claude Code. These current three chats are being used using VS Code. So just for information, VS Code, we can just Google it, you know, you can just write here, let's say Windows or Mac. If you have Mac, you can just download. I mean, and yep, it's an application that lets you code, but here we're using it for vibe coding. So what we did right here, we installed Claude Code on our computer. I downloaded Visual Studio Code, and then I run Claude Code inside this computer. If you want to know more how to set it up, you can just ask or just watch other YouTube videos. It's not very complicated. You will just need to go to, let's say, Claude Code install, for example, yeah, on Google or Bing or whatever. It shows exactly how to install everything. So you don't need to be like, I don't know, noob. Here it's there, guys. And you can just install it. You can use it in VS Code or in your terminal. It's up to you. VS Code is basically the same terminal, but just with a different UI in a way. But yeah, I'm using VS Code. I launched Claude Code, you can see inside. And yeah, let me just try to do this thing here. Okay, so we're running Claude Code inside VS Code, and basically that's it. Currently on the right, we have Rankenstein Pro, and now I'm just gonna apply specific updates based on our current local app, because on the cloud we have one version, and right now I'm trying to update it because I was trying some new features, I was updating prompts, etc. and so on. So guys, by the way, also before we move in, a very good tip: always if you have longer chats or long chats, if you want to save some money, some tokens, additionally if you want the AI to perform better, /clear. That's it. /clear. Clear the conversations. See if the AI, if he has done his job or whatever, just clear. Clear. Because otherwise, the latency and how good AI, as more context window will be there, it's gonna go lower. But of course, depending on the specific use case, yeah? I mean, you don't need to do it after each and every message. You can just, do it once in a while, here and there, when you finished setting up, let's say, specific steps. So, yeah, now I will audit our current application. So I'll audit it. I will just look through it. I'm gonna fix this is okay because we're using the local version, in a way, cloud version on local. I'll audit now the overall process in comparison with my current local application of Rankenstein, and I will apply relevant changes and updates. And yeah. Is there any way to pick a voice? Hi there, Mr. Despondio. Absolutely yes. You'll be able to choose a voice. I'll just go back a little bit just to show you. And welcome to the live, man. Yeah, second comment. Booyah. Mr. Despondio. We can choose a voice. Absolutely yes. And how that one is done is quite easy. I'll just gonna even show you right now live. So this was one research that was done also before. Generating the outline once again goes like in seconds. It's quite fast. So if you want to choose a voice, edit draft. Going back here, I'll just gonna show you how you can edit also voices, because choose a voice. For now I've put only 5, the best ones, if really, because previous ones
How to automate internal linking for
love it. The previous ones were not as good from before from other models, but we're using the latest Gemini 2.5 TTS models, which is basically for voice. Here you'll be able to choose. Oh my god, hey Sharon, what is that? Okay, let me generate once again. It's loading, guys. Local instance. I'm running this on my local computer, just for your information. But you can choose any voice you want. You can choose any vibe. Of course, in future we're going to add a lot of features. But my main point right now here is to keep it minimal, to keep it nice, to keep it simple. So, we can just craft blogs. Because once again, this is the best blog creator in the world. And Mr. Despondio. Here is the voices that you will have. So you have Charon, which is basically this guy. It will take maybe 10-20 seconds to load, but let's hear Mr. Charon on. In the meantime,
Hello. This is a preview of how I'll sound when reading your article.
So there are voice selections that you can choose from. For now, I've put here Charon, Core, Pak, Awede, Sulafat. Wow, he's warm. And Fenrir, which is excitable, breathy, and bright. So different type of voices I just put right there. And hey there, Bill, what's up? Can this work for service pages instead of articles? For now, no. For now, it's just blogs. And articles. But definitely we're going to put it in the future, Because for now, I want to concentrate mostly on the articles part. Because it's very important, especially now with all this AI SEO, AI GEO, whatever is going on, because it's crazy what's happening right now in space, guys. In the space, especially in the SEO space, right now, the changes that are happening, you're like, what the hell is going on? I don't know if you spotted even some goes for cold emails. Have you seen cold emails as, now in the latest days? No, why? Because just Google 2 months ago said, hey, listen, guys.
This is a preview of
No more cold emails. As you remember that, So there's a lot of changes right now happening in the SEO space that you need to adapt. But my main point here, I will make sure that this creates the best blogs ever. And Bill, we're gonna make sure also in the future updates we will be able to craft pages also, because it'll transform Rankenstein Pro from the best SEO blog creator to the best page creator already. So that's a big jump already. But we're gonna take one step at a time. And Mr. Despondio, once again, no need for 100 voices, just the best ones, right? Absolutely right. That's why I put there 7 voices that you can select from. And guys, I will start vibe coding right now. Chat window is there straight away. Don't be shy. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Once again, my name is Daniel, and I will vibe code today, tonight, and tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, hopefully. I'll vibe code Rankenstein Pro. This is for now, it's exclusive for our AI Marketing Hub community, but also we're going to make it a full live application, as I'm currently doing it right now. You can join it using the Rankenstein.pro. There we have a join waitlist. You can test the application as a demo, because here we have a demo dashboard as we're going to scroll right now, and if really all the information is available on the website. We did not index the page yet. Maybe you can find also some errors here and there, but you know, we are developing as we speak right now. So once again, in today's live, I'll vibe code the application. I will make updates. I'll work on it, apply some reasoning with the help of Claude Code, which is doing a fantastic job. I think you've seen already, or maybe even when pressed on the video, you've seen their Claude Code, like, okay, pressed. Because come on, guys. I mean, wow. I mean, Claude is just number one right now. So here, this is the dashboard as it is the application, and what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to check each and every component and to see that everything is proper right now. Yeah. So I see here that we have missing contrast on the images. So right now what I'm going to do, I'll take a screenshot. So I'll paste the screenshot right here inside the chat. So this is going to be agent number 1. Please review the contrast of the buttons inside projects. Currently, they're like foggy and I can barely see them. Please make them proper so we can have proper visibility according to accessibility. Yeah, so here I've set it up. So right now the problem what I have is these buttons, you can barely see them, which is bad. So I will just even copy this. So here I'm gonna put dot example, putting this, I'm gonna put here a new site. Yeah, I'm gonna move first to the plan mode. And of course, if you go straight away always to the bypass mode, I mean, you can do that, but be very careful. When you're doing especially bypass, first what I recommend always when you're trying to make any changes using any model, if really, or especially Claude Code, first go to plan mode, guys. Just make it plan, make a nice plan of action, even construct, let's say, documentation in regards to that, depending on the fixes, and then afterwards move to bypass. Straight away doing bypass, it's not quite well, because it can override specific important data, yeah? I've seen also other people using straight away 6 agents at once. I mean, you can do that if you have the energy to do that, but in 2 hours, you're just going to be depleted because you're watching each and every agent and it will be very hard. You can also use files like agentsmg or pro agentsmg that will just exponentially increase your, overall process. So because you can create multi-agentic system, but even without that, Cloud Opus is doing his job very well. So as I already know the app, because this is our cloud version, I'm currently updating the local version to the cloud. So here, keywords, here it shows new site. I'll just choose another website that project that I've said before. And I will try just to review each and every button, each and every section, and I will update accordingly. Yeah. So guys, I will just turn off my camera just for 2 seconds. Yeah, just for 2 seconds, but at the same time I'll be working in the background and I'll be talking. Please don't be shy. Write a comment. Tell me what you think about this application. Do you like it? If you will be like a user that never knew about this application, will you use it, you know? Yep, turning camera off just for a few seconds. So here, let's go for the projects. Here I have keywords. I can see here transparency is not well, as you can see. So the AI, this agent right here, now it's fixing this. I'm going to press on view keywords. And here, okay, this looks good. I will just go check. And here, rank page is not being seen. So I'll even magnify this. So here, we do have a problem. What? Why? Because KD, page, and rank is not being shown, because these are the keywords that the page is ranking for. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll just take a screenshot. I'll reduce the size. I'm going back in another part of Claude and I say this. Please review the keywords in the project section. Currently, we do have a few missing fields. As per my knowing, we are using DataForSEO to get the PageRank keywords, and I want you to overview and to check the missing fields, which is rank, page, this is rank, page, and KD. Yeah, rank, page, and KD. Again, plan mode right there. So now he will review and he will plan for us. So what he's doing right now, even this agent, he's reading the files. And yeah. Hey, Mr. Flo. Okay, so before that, I'll just gonna come back just in a bit, Mr. Flo. So is here just to inform me that this agent reviewed the code and now he wants to make these changes. I'm just gonna press on auto accept right here. This agent currently is checking the keyword section, yeah. And hey Flo, I think Florian, you asked like, hey, in the beginning, from where do you get the volume of the keywords? Yeah. So the process here, it's oh, just give me one moment. So here we're using DataForSEO as I mentioned before. So if you're going right now to, let's say, DataForSEO, I'll even magnify this. Inside we have a lot of like SERP function, so it's an API service. I'm planning maybe in the future I will make it a little bit different. So here they have a function, it's named page ranked keywords in DataForSEO that is pulling the keywords that the page is ranking for. I think they're taking it from Google Analytics. You can also take these keywords from Google Analytics if you're using one. I hope, Florian, it answered your question. And yeah, we're pulling the page rank keywords. And also if you want to get it without using Rankenstein Pro, guys, in AI Marketing Hub, the free one, just for information, AI Marketing Hub, you just check in the description. If you go to Classroom, if you go to Templates, and here I have N10 workflows. So here, if you want to check any of the existing, you can say basically nodes that I'm having even in Rankenstein Pro, you can get them here for reference. So if you want to check what your page keywords is ranking for, you can use this DataForSEO nodes in an N10 workflow for reference. There's also YouTube videos, so you can check maybe my channel. But here basically are all the functions from DataForSEO that we are using. And it's doing a fantastic job because we're getting the relevant data so we can rank, right? Because the most important thing is to craft blogs that can rank also, and everyone is happy. So going back right now here, this agent is basically finished because here I gave him basically a job here to fix this auto-generate model. So accessibility improvements. So I will just even do a hard refresh. I will close this issue because that's not a problem. And I will check that, hey, hopefully it worked. If not, then we're gonna go back. I'll just wait for it to load. I will turn my camera in 1 second. Now it's loading. Okay, so as you see right now, still not good color. So I'll take another screenshot. Yes, you did fix the buttons in regards to accessibility. Wait, I'll just put it once again here. It's loading. I will paste once again. This one is loading, so I'll just gonna type in the meantime. Yes, but the contrast is still bad for the buttons. Yeah, I want you to carefully examine the current auto generate, and here say the current orange text as it is darkened, and I can barely see the text. Please review each and every button. Increase contrast. So use the sidebar new article, color for reference, button, color for reference, and update. Again, I'm gonna move back to plan mode and I'll press on send. He did fix the readability of these things, but he didn't fix the contrast. As you can see right here, we do have some text, and I want him to fix it, you know, because it's not working right now, and yeah, just trying to work it out. And Mr. Despondio, hello once again. Magisterium, I love your name, man. Your account name is perfect. Hey, Despondio. So you put here a question. I'll even put here just so we can see. So you have each Claude agent working on different things at the same time, or are they working together? No, they're working on different things at the same time. So because here I'm applying reasoning and logic, because let's say the keywords part is not connected, let's say, to the contrast, you know. So here this agent is responsible only for the design, for the UI, so he's gonna help me fix this readability issue. And then with the other agent, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna fix the view keywords, because here some data was not being shown. And this, it's not overlapping. You need to be very careful when you're making that. Here I'm going a lot into details because I want sure that, hey guys, when you will use this platform, I want you like to be happy. I want it to be as easy as possible, not too many functions, because it's tough if it's too much information, you know, especially nowadays. Nice and simple, dark theme, you just press some buttons and it pops up a blog for you, you will review it and you will act accordingly, yeah? I'll just even put here so you'll be able to see here exactly what we are crafting. Because today we're crafting the world's finest SEO optimized article creation system. Oh, and I appeared once again, guys. Hi there. So, as I mentioned before, these agents are working on this now. I'm going to have the third agent, maybe the fourth one, afterwards working on different components, because right now I'm trying to update my cloud version with the local version, and to make sure that we have proper and cool blogs that people can use. That was a good one, Despondia. Yes, I mean, this is good, but can be better. I mean, you can go even more into details, you know? I mean, simple classic prompt engineering, but cool one. You are the world's best UX designer. What if just saying, hey, you are the god of everything, you know? So let's see. Right now, this agent right here, the DataForSEO rank keywords, API response structure is uncertain. What's your preferred approach to identify the available fields? So let's say add debug logging to see actual API response, assume standard field structure. You have API response sample to share. Okay, so I'm gonna add now a debugging. I'm gonna check also when keywords are being created. So if the rank keywords API doesn't include the rank URL. Okay, no, just boom, remove the columns if data is unavailable. The data is available there. For UI, I will paste in the next message an example of what it returns, so we can act accordingly. Yeah. Submit answer. Right now this one is reading. Right now here, accept this plan. So he made a plan. Don't just accept, or if you want, if you're lazy, you can accept. But I'll just gonna just have a look through it right now. Resume pause buttons should appear vibrant, green, amber, so accessibility testing should no longer have a foggy appearance. Orange text will be clearly readable on dark background. Borders should be solid, clearly visible. Yeah. Okay. I mean, this sounds work. So I will just yes and auto accept, and oops. And I hope this agent will do its job properly, because we will fix this contrast of these current fields. Now going back in the meantime, because I'm going to share an example of what the PageRank keywords is returning. So I'll open a new window. I will go data for SEO. I will press on login. And I'll enter inside so I can just get an example of what the PageRank keywords is returning. So I'll use it for reference. I'm going to press here on playground. Here I'm going to go to DataForSEO labs. And here I will choose Google related keywords. I'm going to choose PageRank keywords, ranked keywords. So that's one. But there was also also, guys, by the way, in future reference, if you're trying to vibe code any of these things, you can just vibe code it, and you can just add even DataForSEO API inside. Yeah. Okay. Ranked keywords. Now I'm just gonna prepare an example. US, ignore, pop, live, DataForSEO, and I will say that's it. Historical sort mode, nah. Then limit, I'm gonna put just 10, so I will not, I'll put even 10, yeah. So I will not destroy Claude Code with context, right? So I'll even put here 5. Request. And here we have an example of what was returned by this system. So this is the page rank keywords from DataForSEO, and it returns, if you can see, quite a lot of information that is quite hard, I think, if you're not a developer or anything of sort. And now we will just review these things and just share the output with Mr. Claude. It's quite a lot of information, right? So I'm just gonna press here, select, oops. Okay, I will need to go from bottom down. That's a lot of stuff, so I'm just gonna put here limit 2, just to save a little bit, oops, not code, a little bit of context window, because it's too much information here and Claude doesn't like it. I'm joking, I mean he likes it, but just so we can save some context window for later. So I'm just picking up all of these, I'm just selecting, right click, copy, I will close the site. Going back here, here is an example of what the ranked keywords function returns. I'm pasting it here, the example, and also, damn it, I'm gonna, how it was returning back the previous one. Here it is, perfect. I'll also copy the API, the documentation of this page. So in future, guys, also a very good tip. If you want, let's say, for an AI agent or any sort of AI model to use proper documentation, you can proper functions of any sort of tool. In this case, now we're using DataForSEO, for example. I'll just gonna copy this link of documentation. I'll close this, and I'll put here of the brand keywords returns. And I pasted that example, and also I'm gonna make 3 lines. Also, here is the documentation for reference, right? Boom. And guys, by the way, in the meantime, look at this. So this agent right now, he just fixed the buttons, the contrast, which is very good. Now we're gonna check also other parts. So I'm just gonna make another screenshot. I'm gonna put it here. Great, so you have fixed the buttons, which is perfect. But right now also, if we have any results for keywords, internal links, and other places, they are the contrast and colors is still bad. Example text, and I'm just gonna put this, paste it here, action required, etc. Please check all and update accordingly. We want proper visibility right there. Yeah, so right now this agent is checking for us the keywords. This agent is checking for us the UI. So also the things here, even if you're working in the same box, in the same environment, I mean, this guy is just responsible for UI, and this guy is responsible for the functions inside of your keywords. So yes, they are together in the same project, but they're not, intersecting with each other. If you want them 100% not to intersect, you can just prompt like, hey, listen, I have another agent, he's working on keywords, just be careful with that. But it depends, once again, on the use case. So in the meantime, while these agents, this agent already popped up something, so let's see. Difficult to display, this is correct, but in the UI, blah, blah. However, since KD is rare and effectively means very easy, displaying it as it is should be fine. Okay, so I would say success criteria, rank column, CSV, no breaking. Yep, proceed. I'm gonna press now to bypass because we already have everything planned. Yeah. In the meantime, this agent is also working. I'm gonna press on also bypass mode. So right now these two guys are working on our application. And guys, once again, thank you for watching. Wow, 9 people watching. Woohoo! Guys, drop a comment. I don't know, like you can scroll maybe a little bit back just for a few seconds. You can see exactly what we're working here because we are creating the world's finest SEO optimized creation system. So please drop a comment, drop a like also because it will help me. It will help the algorithm push, this video to other people, and I hope you find this useful. Right now, once again, in this session, we are vibe coding the world's finest SEO optimized article creation system. And it's not just that, but just for information, this has a story, this has a history. So we are doing right now a Rankenstein Pro. So this is our Rankenstein Pro, guys. It's loading. So Rankenstein Pro, this is part of Rankenstein series. If you want to know more about Rankenstein series, you can just go to my YouTube. And there in the videos, I have my history freely of Rankenstein, how it was before. We had before Rankenstein V4, we have Rankenstein V7, V8, all of these were N8N workflows, if you know about N8N. And now we are just vibe coding the application live, so we can share with people, so they'll be able to use and craft proper blogs, but not like bullshit or anything like that, because with all this AI slop nowadays, filters are getting harder, and any content you're making, like, hey, for it to be properly legit, it's quite hard. But this system is ensuring that because it's doing all relevant research, is getting information and citations, and also internal links, etc., and so on. It's taking everything from trusted sources. It gets the people ask, it gets everything, so it's quite cool. So in the meantime, these two agents are working. Let's check. I will check the view internal links part, and I will just review to see exactly how it works. Okay. I will just check that it properly works, each and every one. Okay, perfect. Because here it's our internal links, so this system also takes all the internal links that the page has, and yep, you can also export them as CSV. But here I can see that there's a duplication button right here. So I'm gonna go right here. I'll take a screenshot. Going back here, I will switch this to plan mode, and I will say, please review the internal links part inside the projects. We have duplicated export CSV buttons. I like the export CSV button next to the add link button because it follows our theme. Can you make sure that it works? And can you just remove the export CSV blue button because I don't want it there. Haha. So just like that. I'm just giving the prompt because here you can see it's a duplication of buttons. So I'm just going to remove this button from here. So I'll remove this button. So we're going to have only this and this. Also for this, we're going to make sure that we have a proper contrast. So here we have our contrast manager accessibility. I'll even check here. I'm going to paste it here. Also, please review the colors and the contrast of the add link in internal links. Please fix the button color there also. Boom. Of the just like that. And I will press on send because he already knows exactly what he's doing. Perfect. I'm just going to scroll down to see that everything is fine and everything is there. And here we have the pages. If I'm gonna just go forward, let's see. Okay, they work. So this is the internal links. So once again, we are pulling all the pages that the website has, and so far that part looked okay. This guy, I think he already finished, which is perfect. I will even reload this part and I will check that, hey, does it work? Is everything working? And here, by the way, guys, don't forget, this part was we didn't have proper readability, and it fixed right now. That one also. I'm gonna press here and yes, and I'll accept and bypass and continue. Okay, this is good. I like this part. Let's check the keywords. Hopefully they are fixed and they are working and we have the data inside. Good. So look at this, guys. We have the rank right there. So now it's being shown, so that's a big plus. KD is empty, so I think we can remove this part. So what I'm gonna do right now, I will just go here. I will screenshot this page. I'm gonna go back because this guy was responsible for the keywords, and after this change is done, I'm just gonna clear this chat so we can continue to a different part. And guys, once again, everyone watching, hi, please comment, please like, share your thoughts. I'm here. Anyway, it's quite sad, but it's quite boring always to talk to myself. So if you can write some comments, it will make these things a lot more better. So don't be shy, drop a comment. I'm pasting right now the image inside, and here I will seal that. So we have the key D, because basically it's that function right there, right? I'm just gonna go more here on the right because this option is empty. So key D. Please remove it from keywords as it is mostly empty. Remove this field. Yeah. Also, please ensure that all the data is properly arranged and optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Also, I don't want to scroll left and right. I want the data properly set and arranged in the center. For one screener, right? And I'm pressing consent. Also here, this guy was fixing accessibility, and now I'm gonna even take another screenshot. So please check the export CSV button that it follows our style and format also. And I would say this will be it. Yeah, but if really I don't even know. I Despondio Magisterium. KD, I think it was keyword difficulty. Yes, you're right. But it's not getting it. I don't think we also need it fully, because nowadays already, even if you have keyword difficulty, etc. and so on, it doesn't matter anymore. On here we have the page that it is ranking for. Very good. I mean, I think here we have everything. We have the ranking of that keyword for the page. I don't think we need keyword difficulty here. We have the search volume. Also here. Also, please add the possibility to be able to sort the keywords following any fields available there. Yeah. And I'm pressing now on plan. So here is add a sorting system for each field. And you can see right there, boom, we have parsing ECMAScript source code failed. So I think it's because of this guy. So I will just, so for UI. I'll wait now for this agent to fix this, because now he fixed the contrast, but because he put some things, which is, yeah, he will fix this part. I just have this copy it, put it here, because I think he fixed the contrast, he put their component and slightly disturbed the code. Yeah, I'll even try to refresh Rankenstein right here. Yep, so parsing ECMAScript source code fail. So right now it's because of this agent. So he fucked up, but it's okay. This is easy fixable. As soon as he will finish, he will do that. I know here on export CSV button, dark gray button is the header, next blah blah blah. Okay, that guy is finished. I will just clear this part, because guys, don't forget always to clear. If you want the agents to perform better, clear. You're done with the task, clear. I'm currently still doing this task, that's why I'm not clearing yet, but I will clear it, I think, after this. Also this agent, because now he has also a lot of context, I will clear it there also. Yeah. Okay, yes, and auto accept. Just like that. And guys, anyone watching right now, let me know. Hey, any of you is using Claude Code? Are you vibe coding? Are you creating workflows? Are you automating your work? Let me know. Just comment. I will try to maybe even help you or guide you on specific things. And if you have, once again, any questions, just let me know. I'm here. So let's wait for this baby to finish. In the meantime, I will go to the toilet and I'll be right back in just maybe 1 minute if you can wait for me, guys. I will just even put a note here like, hey guys, can I please go? Hey teacher, can I please go to the bathroom? You know, in a way. I'm just joking. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. I will be right back. So I'll even put a note here in case if anyone is coming. I will just make here. So went to the toilet. I will be right back. Watch my Claude code for me. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Yeah. Testing one, testing two. Hey guys, thank you for watching Mr. Claude for me. I appreciate it. And now we have a server error. So let's say here, check. So please check server, keep localhost 3000, run on turbo pack for speed. So hi, wow, 10 people watching right now, guys. Welcome, Mr. Oshi, Mr. Flo, and everyone else watching. I'm really glad that you are here on this journey. For anyone that doesn't know who I am, my name is Daniel. I am the host of AI Marketing Hub and AI Marketing Hub Pro community. So AI Marketing Hub is free, guys. There, please join. I mean, you can find most of my workflows there inside. So please join. Today we are building Rankenstein Pro. So if you don't know what Rankenstein Pro series is, it's a multi-series of N10 workflows that was in the past for creating blogs. So by the way, these are available there for free. Please join. You can try, you can download, you can set them up. Currently today we are setting up the Rankenstein Pro version on the cloud, full coded, vibe coded, with the help of this beautiful Claude Code AI and AI tools. And I'm so fascinated because being in the AI space since 2000, by the end of 2021 to the beginning of 2022, I was in the AI space already because I got accepted for ChatGPT beta testing. That time it was just appeared. I'm like, when I just tested, I'm like, oh my God, this tool is insane. Insane. Now all the thumbnails, insane, right? But Claude Code now best model ever, I would say, from all of them in the present day. I really love working with Claude Code right now. We have multi-agents. All of them are doing their stuff. So here, internal server error we're having. So I just put here, boom, back. this agent right now is gonna work on our application. And in the meantime, guys, let me show you till this guy is working on our error. This is our Rankenstein Pro right here. So also the website, by the way, just for information, which is super cool, guys. And before that, Mr. Oshi, love your concept. Keep it up. Hearts, man. Thank you so much. We'll do. We'll definitely do. So here, this is the demo dashboard of the application. You also, guys, you can go to Rankenstein.pro. We still didn't index the website. We're gonna index it soon because we're still working on a few stuff here and there. We're changing some styles, but this is our app. I'm developing this app along with Benjamin and also our community members. Our community members from AI Marketing Hub Pro are gonna have the early access. I mean, they're currently beta testing even as we speak. They're creating blogs, etc. and so on. But check the website if you want to know more about our project. You can test. This is a demo dashboard of everything, of all the elements, even here inside. You can press, test, view anything on our website. This is also, the website was created and crafted with the help of Claude Code, which I'm very glad. You can easily edit and set things in between, which is perfect. Oh, even chart was there. Come on, here and here. You'll be able to add anything you want on your article, yeah, with simple drag and drop. So please join the waitlist, guys. We're gonna launch this by the mid of, official launch by the mid of next month. And currently live, I'm just recording my current application. So far we're building Rankenstein series. It started with Rankenstein v4 version 4. The first N8N workflow, you can see basically here on the YouTube channel, you can see that Rankenstein v4 was the first N8N workflow. It was that time you could not connect or create N8N workflows with AI, and to create this sort of workflows that time, I remember the v4 took me like around 1 week, then v7, v8, v9, v8 Pro, v9.1, v9.2, and now we have Rankenstein.pro, just Rankenstein Pro there, that will craft these beautiful blogs. Please join our community. Please join our waitlist. You will try it yourself, and I hope you will like it. I'm currently run this server on TurboPack, so it'll be faster, it'll be smoother. Today's session, I'm just gonna remind everyone that, hey, we're gonna vibe code, we're gonna update specific elements of our application, because we do have the cloud version currently live already that our Marketing Hub members are testing. I'm currently making the updates. And okay, we have an error. Boom. So here I'm gonna say, please check this. Oof, we have this error. Parsing ECMAScript source code fail. So can happen, absolutely. Anytime you're vibe coding, errors can happen. I mean, that's super normal. Don't be scared. You can just copy, you can paste, you can send to Claude or to any AI model that you're using, and they'll fix it, guys. So don't be scared if errors pop up. Just be consistent. And in general, if you're building your own project, your own projects, be always consistent. At least give it at least half an hour or 1 hour per day, as I'm doing right now with Rankenstein Pro. I'm giving even now like 1, 2, 3, 4 hours per day, I would say, for this application. And it's doing wonders. It's doing very well. Cloud version is working. We had some bugs right there, but it's okay. I mean, any bugs are fixable. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna update the application. We're gonna fix some bugs. We're gonna add maybe some new features, play with contrast, play with things, and just create it. Boom. I mean, okay, look at this. Okay, so setup, view designs, etc. So right now we have 3 agents that are working together. Yeah. So here I will just clear these 2 agents. And guys, anyone that is using Claude Code, very good tip. Yeah, clear all the time. How to clear? /CLEAR, clear, all the time. If you're finished doing specific tasks, do clear. Why? It will save context. The AI will be smarter. It will be stronger, and yeah, I mean, it will perform better overall. You can check even about this clear option more. Google it. So far he fixed the contrast, which is perfect. To these 2 things, I'm just gonna press now on view keywords. I want to check that we have here keyword, perfect. Here we have page, I will double check that all the pages are working. I will not click all of them, but at least the first 3. Okay. Duplicated keyword, not duplicated, but for the same page, 2 keywords ranking high. Not bad at all. Okay. Volume is there, intent is there. Competition is there, and CPC is there. Okay, I'll even magnify this because we're supposed to have, let's say, CPC, competition, intent, volume, page, rank. I want to add another option. So I will just magnify this. I will take a screenshot. When pulling page ranked keywords, we are using DataForSEO API for this. Can we also have the trends? Like monthly trend, quarter, year, but into one tab, like all together, well arranged and set as we had it before, because currently it was removed as I was making some updates. So please add the trends also. So if trends are high, it should show the growing arrow, green arrow, like a chart. And if trends are low, then show the downstream arrow. We had this option inserted before, but it was removed by accident. Please review. Plan, send. So here, by the way, because what I want to have here, before we had, after CPC, we had trends, so it will be nice to have for reference. So yeah, we know that if a keyword is trending or not, because that's also very important. Because also there's different like techniques on how to rank even higher. Is basically we're taking the keywords that the page is ranking for. Of course, if you want, you can export as CSV as I mentioned before. And then we can create, maybe even go for long tails for specific keywords, or just work on those, or even see that, hey, what is trending and what is not. And flow, you mentioned before, I will put here right now. So guys, once again, hi there, and please comment. Using it on daily basis, actually amazing. Yes, Oshi, this is, I mean, I'm using Claude Code every day, man. It's fantastic. I love it. I totally love it. And flow, the Claude Code is from your Gemini plan. What do you mean by Gemini apply? No, Claude Code is totally like separate. So Gemini is Gemini, Claude is Claude. We're currently using Claude Opus 4.5 for all of them, by the way. But no, it's no Gemini plan here. It's all full classic Claude Code, which is basically Anthropic. Now I think keyword section is done. I will double check once again the internal links section to see that everything is well, and everything is well. Definitely well. Okay, here I have the possibility to edit and also add and export. Okay, good. And also to remove. But here I'm missing one specific field. I'll press on view links. I will just screenshot this. Oh, damn it. I will screenshot this right here. I will paste it here. So I do have a local instance of the current application. I will just open it here. So this is a local instance that also currently is running on my computer, and I'm just going to go to the projects. As you can see, it's a little bit different, right, than the one that we are vibe coding on the right. Because this is the local version, I'm just experimenting here, like new features that I want to add to the cloud version. And what I want to do right now, because here I'm missing one filter, which is the sitemap, and I don't want to introduce it here. So you can see here, I'm going to press even on map links. Oh no, I pressed the wrong button. Ah, whatever. I will pick a different, oh wow, just a moment. I will go here. I will press on this website because it has more links. Currently, the Rankenstein.pro website has just 2 links because we did not index the website. Yeah, I'm gonna press on this project. Come on, load, my friend. Let's wait for it to load. So here, I'll refresh the page. I'll select Collagen Wise, which is another project. Here is the website of my friend. And then I will just check the internal links and apply relevant updates. Yeah, right here. Perfect. Just like that. And flow, by the way, Cloud Code is not once again from Gemini plan. I'm using Cloud Code, I'm using Ultra plan. Before I started with free one, then I moved to Pro, and Pro was not enough, so I moved to the Ultra plan, which is $100 per month. And just today, because again I reached my limits, I'm like, damn it, man, and it's so damn good. And I just got a $200 per month plan. I mean, this is equivalent to maybe 10 employees that you can have at your work. So this 200 plan is a no-brainer at all because you don't need employees anymore. You just need Cloud Codes there, agents that can do your job. And guys, please drop a like if you can. It will help push the video further, so maybe people will like it also. So they will use. So drop a like whenever you have the time. I will really appreciate it. So I'm gonna press now view links. This is the local version that I'm currently having, and also here we have the cloud version. Yeah, I mean you can see a resemblance here. So I'll take here. Here I can put black text, test, text. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back here. I have pasted the picture for reference. Can you change the color of the add link to black, please, as the reference image? Very simple fix. You don't even need here plan mode straight away to bypass. I mean, this is a very simple and basic fix, yeah? Yeah, so now in the meantime, this agent is working there. This one is working there. Maybe I think I'm gonna craft 2 more agents and I'm gonna just put them down because we're gonna have a little bit of work right here. So going back to internal links, I will double check once again the keywords. These two are basically covered. I will just check that he is currently, this guy is adding trends right there. Now moving to design systems. So view designs, this part, what is it doing? It is getting your design, brand design, using Firecrawl Dev API. So we're getting the colors of your page, yeah, the contrast of your page, the colors of your web page, guys. We're getting the logo here. The logo is faulty. It was different because that's how the owner of this website set it up. Yeah. Also, of course, if you want, you can just replace or edit, but for now it's okay. Brand logo on favicon is basically this as they're using on their website, which is bad. We need to have a proper logo here, but that's an SEO perspective of their website. Colors of the website, fonts, typography, spacing, and personality. This is quite good. So design system is working well. I will not touch this part and I'm gonna move ahead. Next for brand photos. And Mr. Flo, hi there once again. Let's see. So Flo, you mentioned before that if I've tried Cloud for work, right now it's only works on Mac. If really haven't tried, I mean, I've seen that, hey, they've added this Cloud Code work. It was very hyped, but I had something more interesting, which is Rankenstein Pro. And but I did want to try it, but I'll set it up maybe a little bit later. I will definitely set some agents that will help us with our business, like maybe email campaigns or advertisement. That's what I'm planning to do with Cloud Cowork. For now, main point here is to finish this application, make it fully live, promote it, and then the rest also, again, of course, can be used with Cloud Code because it will do its job well. So easy peasy. Guys, I will turn off my camera just for 3 seconds and I will turn it back on in 3 seconds. 30 minutes, I'll turn it back on in just a bit. I'm still here, the mic is there, and I'm just gonna move towards the next section, which is our brand photos. Yeah, so camera off. But I'm still here, guys. Anyway, so brand photos. Design systems, I hope you got it. What it's doing, brand photos. If you're gonna press here on upload photos, here you're gonna see that here we have the upload photos, and it's a little bit dull, if really. Nah, I don't like it. What I'm gonna do right now, clear. I have an agent right here. So now I will make this maybe like this. I will open the other one. I think it was here. So this is my local version. This is the cloud version that I currently have. I will press on manage photos. I will add a new project. Here I'm gonna put maybe ifilters.com, create. So I'll create a new project because I want to work on the brand photos because it's not well. So to update Claude, like, hey, listen, we are missing a few functions because currently here it's missing a few functions because I had a function in the local version of capturing the website. And I want this function to be incorporated inside here. So I'm going to press on brand photos. And you can see here, this is the cloud version that we have only upload your photos. I will just go even here. But this is the cloud. This is the local version. So what I'm going to do right now, I will take a screenshot. I'm going back to Claude Code. Hey, Claude Code. Why the hell I'm saying Claude? Please help me with the brand photos from projects. I have a local app with this path. Right here. Oops. I have a local app in that path. Oh, that's the background, guys. I will just prepare it on another screen. Rankenstein. So here I have another folder, some backups, whatever, so on. I will just right click. I will copy as path. I will minimize the screen. And I will paste the path right here. Please review the brand photos section from there. The UI, the prompts, the capture from website option, the colors, and please adapt to our current cloud version. Before this, do an audit of the overall functions, and of course be very careful with the cloud option because we have some functionalities which are specific for cloud and for users. Yep, this will work. And at the same time here, I would say, so your mission is to audit the local part, brand photos projects, check the functionalities which are missing in our cloud version, which is the current folder that you are signing in. You are residing in, and we will update. Yeah, pressing on plan because this is going to be a plan because we're going to change from this brand photos into, damn it, this, because here we had capture from website, and what it was doing, I'll show you. I'll press on capture from website. So right now it is taking screenshots from the page, from the about page, and from the home page, and maybe another page. So it's taking the screenshot, and then it will analyze those screenshots. So we can use the reference, let's say the colors, typography, the prompts, the style, and everything else we are using for our future articles or future blogs. And wow, guys, we have 12 people live right now watching. Look at this, 12 people live right now. Welcome, guys. I'm so glad to have you here. I will even turn my camera. Boom. Hi, everyone. Hi there once again, and thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Just for information, currently building the world's best article creator, now live as we speak. So I hope you'll enjoy it. Anytime you have a question, please let me know. I'm here. And currently we are updating a few components that I want to publish to our cloud version of Rankenstein Pro. So if you want to join the waitlist, please join. Here we have the brand photos that I'm currently working on. And here I had a function which is captured from a website that was taking screenshots of the page. Look at this. I mean, it's fantastic. It took the screenshots, it took the colors of the website, and also it took relevant information. Unified brand style, visual style, lighting, prompt, brand personality, composition, color palette, image generation guidelines, do and avoid, also style template, and also generate style prompt, and also website design analysis. So this function is done by the brand photos, and I want to incorporate this option here Also because it's a fantastic option. It's doing its job very well. And yeah, also additional, we're going to have the possibility to just, add our own upload photos. So we can upload our own photos for reference. So the generated blogs will be created, the images inside of the blog will be created using this specific style palette right here. And yep, currently working on the prompts, vibe coding it, checking, fixing with 3 agents right here. One is just sitting here on standby because he's in charge of our server. We have here this guy making changes. Time to time I'm clearing him. And here we have another agent that is doing different job right now. So currently we are in our Rankenstein Pro, you can say, application. It's our cloud version, and I'm updating the cloud right here with you guys along together. And yeah, glad to have all of you right here today. Guys, share a like, share a comment, and I'm really glad that you're all here today. And yeah, let's continue. Okay, so I give the prompt to this agent. Now he is working on the brand photos. So now he's working on this part. He will audit, he will plan. In the meantime, this guy, I think he's almost finished right here. Okay. Good. So boom. So implementation completed, trend indicators restored. Okay. So now I'll do a, if you want to do a hard refresh to remove the cache, you can just press CTRL, Shift and R. So now I'm refreshing the page. And now I will check that, hey, that function that I asked, which is the getting the trends for the keywords to know that the keyword is trending or not. So we added this function inside the keywords. So I want to make sure that, hey, the function is there. So I'm going to press on view keywords and see if Claude Code did its job perfectly or not. go right. And wow, look at this. Fantastic. This is even better than I expected. I mean, this is fantastic, guys. Look at this. So you can even, can we? Yes, you can sort. Look at this. These are the keywords that the page is ranking for, yeah, just for information. And also here we have trends per month, 3 months, 1 year. And you can see exactly what keywords are trending and which keywords are not. I mean, I would say this is a fantastic opportunity because now if we have here the keywords, we can just, work on this keyword specifically. But here I have a problem, which is the keyword is compressed. So I don't want that. I'll just, again, take another screenshot. So here, I love what you did. Thank you. Can you please help me with the keyword section? So when the keywords are listed, they're like somehow compressed. I want to have the full keyword name shown there, not as, and I'm gonna put here, not as, custom pom. Yeah. Also, if the keyword is pressed, it should be copied. Also, no, wait. Also, can we add a copy to clipboard when selecting a keyword? Here I'm also going to tell the section here. So section. So sidebar. Projects. Keywords. Yeah. I'm going to change this to plan mode. So now he will plan. So we don't want to have these as minimized, but want to have proper, like full keywords right there. And Mr. Yubwamatendo Patrick, please make this wonderful local app available for download. Yes, definitely will do, Mr. Lubwam Patrick, Mr. Patrick. We will make it public. We will make it downloadable also on desktop, but it will take some time because we need to make sure that, hey, the legality is in place There is no sort of like, copyright, etc. and so on. And because nowadays you can easily just copy any sort of application if you really want to. So I want to make sure that, hey, when we're launching this application, we're following regulations, because that's very important, especially if you want to launch a successful business. You need to check from different perspectives. You need to check the market, you need to check legality, for example, and of course, terms, conditions, privacy, etc. and so on. So that's very important. We're currently doing now. I'm currently updating the application because it's now our AI Marketing Hub members are testing it as we speak. I want to make it flawless, really flawless. Then have a proper like full launch of it. I'm expecting mid next month. And then we're gonna make the local app. We have the local app available. We're just gonna put their proper certifications, so you can just have an installer and install it on your computer, not just to unpack whatever codes, because there's many people that don't know how to code or how to do anything, and we're just gonna have proper simple Imagine, same as in application on desktop or mobile. You can just download and you can use it. So that's our vision for the long run. And of course, the most important vision for us is, guys, we are building the world's finest SEO optimized article creation system, blog creation system, you can name. And I can definitely vouch on that because tested the competitors, what they were doing, and if really it sucked. Most of them, they were like, could be better, But this, I mean, even my community members can vouch that this system is doing wonders. If you don't know what it does, you can just scroll back in the beginning, and there I have a few minutes, maybe minute 5 or 6, that you can see exactly what this system crafts. So if you want to see a demo of it, you can just scroll back, then you can come back to present or resume where you stopped. System is really good. It does its job well, and yeah. This agent is working, this agent is planning. In the meantime, I will check other sections. So for this guy is taking care of brand photos, so I'm gonna keep that in mind. I'll even put myself here a note. Well, this was a different note. Wait, I will just minimize this part here. And right there, I'm just gonna put some notes for myself. So I will check right now, update to dos, bash biome linter to check the quality. Sure, check the quality. In the meantime, I will check the keywords that we don't have them already, small, but also if pressed, copied. Okay, good. Because I want to copy. Why? Because let's say if I have a high search volume keyword, which is this one, for example, Nurofen Forte. Wow, volume is quite high, transactional intent, but trend is going down. But in future, let's say this keyword will be nice to have, right? So let's say collagen hydrolysate. I can just copy this keyword. Maybe I can go to ChatGPT or Gemini and create, maybe some long-term keywords out of it. Check, do a keyword research. Mr. Pure Fiction. Look at that nice nickname, man. Mr. Pure Fiction. The app is live. Yes, it is right. It is live. It's right there. It's on Rankenstein Pro. For now, it's available and you can test it. I mean, only our AI Marketing Hub members are testing it right now, even as we speak. It will be live fully, properly, maybe by mid of next month. Or you can join the waitlist if you want. Or you can join our AI Marketing Hub community. You can find the information down in the description. And if you want to test it out now. Yeah. Currently working on the cloud version as we speak. And this is it. And if you want to know more what it does, you can just scroll back a little bit. Okay. Thank you, Perfection. So yeah, if you want also to see the full visibility, you can even go to the Rankenstein Pro. You can check, this is the demo of the app, how it is. You can just click here and there, show articles, you can view. So far, the website also was done with Claude Code, just for information. And yeah, I will decide this small down. Now, should we migrate? I will magnify this for a bit. I want to view exactly what Mr. Claude is saying here. So should we migrate brand photos from base64 storage to R2 storage? Yes, please. Yes. So which features should we prioritize for the initial release? Capture from website? Yes. Website design analysis? Yes. Edit models and color picker? Yes. Section regeneration? Yes. All. But please be careful with our cloud version, as we have specific elements like user ID, crediting system in place. Be careful while updating codes. Boop. The next one, user access. Should the screenshot captured feature be available to all users or restricted by tier? Free tier gets one capture, pro unlimited. For now, all users. Okay. Now this agent has the big plan in action. He will update the brand photos for us to the latest version. And also here, Mr. Pure Fiction mentioned that's a one good app. Thank you, man. Really appreciate it. Really. Yeah, I've been developing this with Benjamin, my homie, from the past, and of course with our AI Marketing Hub community. We've been developing this for quite some time. It started first with an workflow like 1 year ago, and we scaled it version 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.1, 2, and Pro, which is now. And yeah, even now as I speak, developing it, publishing it, so our community members can properly use it to create blogs, so they can rank, because that's our mission. I mean, one of the missions, because our main mission is to what? I mean, you've seen it in the thumbnail, right? Our main mission is to become the world's finest SEO optimized article creation system, and that's our vision. So going back, this agent, he will work now on brand photos. This agent here, only one file was changed. What he was doing, if really, I totally forgot already. Complete keyword display enhancement, featured added, full keyword names displayed. Okay, so I'll review right now his work, which is in view keywords. And here we have also another comment, Mr. Pure Fiction once again. Hi. When do you plan on launching full scale? Well, mid, I would say mid next month, hopefully, if everything goes as planned. But that's how we're planning. No, the app is live, man. I mean, it's there. Just that with limited access, because we are beta testing it right now and updating it as we speak. But full scale, I think in mid next month it will be already there. It will be live. We're gonna start promoting it. If you're gonna see maybe some ads, we're gonna set up. I mean, we have a remarketing strategy because we are marketing hub, and we have already marketing strategy for this system also. We'll try to scale it, make it better, and yeah, just grow with everyone together. Because this system will help us grow and also going to help our community grow, and it's like, hey, killing two birds with one stone, So keywords are fixed. Now also we can copy keywords, which is basically what I want. So this agent fulfilled his job. And guys, once again, a very good reminder for each and every one of you, when you are using agents in Claude Code, don't forget, when an agent completed his task and he's done, / clear the conversation, because the agent will be better. Yeah. Just like that. And we are saving here some context window also. We have this agent right now, basically this agent on the left. This agent is taking care of brand photos right here. So far, keywords are working well, internal links are working very well, design systems is covered, and brand photos right now is being updated by this agent right here. Yep. Next, I'm gonna move to business intelligence. So here I'm going to press on View Intel. So far, by the way, Business Intel was doing well. It was getting I think it's in Romanian, so you'll not be able to understand. So let me try just to pick one in English. Yeah, just give me one moment. I will select a different project. And also, of course, guys, if you want, you can select other projects in Rankenstein. You'll be able to select, you can create maybe, we're going to see how many you can set. Maybe we're going to put a limit of 3 for free users, or 1 for free users, 3 for pro plans, and unlimited maybe projects for other agencies. But here, business intelligence, if I'm going to press on Now View in Intel on Rankenstein Pro. So straight away, this was also scraped by the system. And here we have the website, country, language, business description. It was scraped with the help of AI, because we scraped the website. Mid in June. Hopefully. Okay. So here we have target audience, which is good, brand personality, which is perfect. If really this doesn't require any sort of modification, maybe only call to action here, but it have more CTAs. So I think now I'll do an audit from my local app to the current cloud version. So I will open this here. This is my local application, just for information. This is the cloud application. And here I will select on business intelligence. I'll press on analyze. Now, currently, by the way, what it's doing and what's happening, he is analyzing the business with the help of artificial intelligence, with the help of robots. And yeah, then I will just, because here I remember I made some updates. I updated the prompts, and I think I had more CTAs there. And I want to make sure this is updated also. And Mr. Chris, you just now wrote a comment, man. Hi there, Chris. Welcome. Welcome to the live. And guys, anyone, don't be shy, write comments. So Chris, is the system just based on your N10 workflow? So is the vibe coded version calling N10 workflows, or did you use Claude to transform the N10 workflows into code? I did both so far, and both are possible. Chris, yes, you are right. But the thing is here, I started with Frankenstein v4, you know, the oldest workflow. Then we moved to Frankenstein v9.2, which is fantastic. Then I made the Rankenstein Mini. So I will even show you here, Rankenstein Mini. So if you're joining inside AI Marketing Hub, in the search, you put Rankenstein Mini. Right here, Rankenstein Mini. This is also a vibe-coded app using AI Studio. It's free, it's there. You can just copy and use it if you want to just create blogs. Yes, this app was vibe-coded, but it's not just taking the N10 workflow and putting, because it doesn't work like that. If you want to make a proper like web application for the users, you know. Now I'm going deep into the details of each and every specific section, and I'm just updating it because I have a local version and we have also a cloud version. And I was working on some updates. I was experimenting with the local version and got some really good results. And we have also the cloud version. And right now I'm using Claude Code to update the cloud version according to the local version. And then, yeah, I'm checking, viewing, auditing each and every specific element so everything works properly, you know? And yeah, everything is vibe coded. You can do both, definitely. I even have a video, man, how I was... I even have the video like how to vibe code. I mean, how to transform an N10 workflow into a vibe coded app is very easy, especially nowadays. And Chris, if you already have the knowledge and the skills to do that, then you're on a very good road, man. You're doing very good. Guys, I hope you're doing also what I'm doing right now. Get yourself a computer if you don't have to. Get another screen and start to just vibe coding. Really, I mean, this is the future. It's very good, and there's a lot of opportunity right here. And Chris, once again, to answer your question, yes, we started with N10, and now this is pure code, well optimized and set. It's already there, live on the cloud. Currently fixing updates and updating the app, updating the prompts, and yeah, basically that's it. So right now, this is the local version, and this is the cloud version. So you can see there's a little bit different of elements right here. We have here using article intros and abouts. Here we don't have nothing. If you go more down, also here CTA is only one, but here is CTAs is more. So what I'm going to do right now, I will just make this bigger right here. I will screenshot this. Now I will reduce this. I will go to this clean Claude Code, and I will set a prompt. But before I set the prompt, I will drink some water. And guys, if you have questions, please don't be shy. Write a comment, you know? I mean, it's nice to chat, but it's more sad when you chat to yourself, you know? I'm trying always to keep talking, but it will be nice also, like, hey, just if you have any questions, as I mentioned before, just teaching. I think you heard that teaching, right? I think that's from the school. So someone join. That's such a funny sound. Thank you for joining. So here I will vibe code right now the application. So let me just give me one. So there I put a screenshot. I put a screenshot on the left of Rankenstein local, and the right is Rankenstein Pro. Here I have a folder, and this folder contains the local version. I also have the cloud version, so I'm gonna just copy as path. So local version path, boom. Now, the time for the prompt. On the left is my local version of Rankenstein. On the right is our current Claude Code version that you reside in. Wait, it's Cloud, it's correct. Your mission is to check the local version, brand intelligence, and the cloud version, brand intelligence. The current local version is up to date as I worked and updated it, and the cloud version is just there and I want to apply the relevant updates. Please carefully review the cloud version and be very careful when making changes, because the cloud version has specific elements, which is user ID, the BOC system, and other important cloud components. Be careful while making changes, and please update the brand intelligence in the projects. Switching this to plan, and if you want to switch fast to plan, just press on Shift Tab, guys, and it'll just switch. Or just press here, bypass, ask, edit, or plan. I want to plan this first. Right now here we have an error, because I think because of this AI agent, he's making right now some updates. I don't want to interfere with him right now, so as soon as he will finish, I will fix this error. And yeah, just let me put here, Mr. Chris, like. Thank you, buddy. I can put a like here. I don't think I can put a like here. And Mr. Despondio, yes, someone joined, right? It's such a funny ching sound. But thank you for joining, because I can't even tell you about the value we have inside our community. So if you ever consider joining, please do join, guys. In the meantime, while these agents are working, I'm just going to show you a fast look around. First, I'm going to show you a look around to the Rankenstein Pro. So please join our waitlist. It'll be live maybe in 1 month. Our current AI Marketing Hub members, they have access to it, so they're testing as we speak. Right now, I'm updating it live, and then I'm just going to push our updates so our AI Marketing Hub members can use it. So for now, if I'm going to go now to Studio, for example, here, this is our current cloud version of the application. You can see that here it's very similar to the local one, just different designs, because right now, as you can see here, it's quite complex, right? And my mission was just to simplify these things. So in the end, we'll simplify them, optimizing right now as we speak the prompts, checking for errors of each and every specific field. And yeah, this is our cloud. It's already there. It's live. I mean, it's working. So even now, if I'm going to press a new article, I can just create blogs. I didn't push the latest update because I'm still working on the latest update right now. But it's creating blogs. People can just connect their WordPress and Shopify, and they just directly from this system can just be published to those platforms, also to a custom webhook or a PDF or a HTML if you want to. Means that one is also possible. But so far, cloud version is doing well. We've got some errors there. That's why this video is here now. That's why I'm in front of you right now, because what I'm doing, I am just checking, reviewing the cloud version, and just making updates accordingly. Like, let's say here, even this time here, it takes maybe 1-2 minutes to do all the research, which is okay. But can be better? Absolutely yes. Can be faster? Yes, also. But even now, as we speak, this is Rankenstein Pro app. It's working live. This one doesn't have yet the audio feature or the charts, because the audio features I was setting up till yesterday. on the local app. So I was testing how they work, you know, how the charts are working, because we want to have also an audio summary. We want to have maybe the possibility to edit more, and that was done. And now what I'm doing, I am just migrating our our local application, which was updated basically this. So I'm migrating right now the local app features into the cloud version right here. So yep, this is what is being done right now live. And guys, thank you once again for being here. So this guy is working right now. Okay. Once again, the best part about Rankenstein Pro is the research. And of course, the content optimization, because this is not just simple vibe coded application, everyone. It's fully detailed, fully researched, and I even have a document to prove that. I'll just gonna show you just in a bit. Website audit. Okay, here we go. Here is a very useful document. You can also find it inside the community, guys. This is basically how to. It's just a document, yeah, because I'm feeding each and every agent that is responsible for creating content. I'm feeding this document because for 2025, 2026 specifically, there will be new rules of search, and the first layer of that is the EEAT, which is EAT. People name it also. It's experience, expertise, authority, and trust. You can Google it. You can watch more YouTube videos about it. EAT is very important right now because it gives you credibility, it gives you trust, and how to build that is basically, once again, you know, experience or expertise. You can share, let's say, what you're crafting, what you're doing. Also, you can, you know, using blogs. That's a very good way to share your expertise and your experience and your authority. You know, so blogs is just one part of this big marketing bubble, because marketing is not only blogs or articles, it's social media posts, it's connection, it's of course videos, and videos. Because even now, as we speak, I mean, I think YouTube, and it's growing more, more and more. I'll just drink some water. Okay. So right now this agent has finished. One moment. Okay. So now this agent here has finished. Going back to our local host, we still have an error right here, but it's okay. I will not touch it till they finish it. Okay. What will you prefer? So phase 4 and 5 testing and building. Please continue. At the same time, I'm just gonna check this. Going back here. Please fix. Also for UI, we have two other agents working on some of the features. Pressing on plan. Guys, everyone watching right now, 8 people live. Hey there, everyone. Daniel here, and don't be shy. Write a comment, guys. Write a comment, write a like, or anything, you know. It's fun when I'm talking. It's more fun when everyone, you know, is into it together. So don't be shy. You can just even ask a question, write a comment there. Tell me what you think. Maybe if you have, let's say, ideas of making this application even better, let me know. I mean, if really, because I would say the power of listening is one very important one, because you can learn a lot and implement a lot while listening. So maybe if you want to have, let's say, some specific features inside our Rankenstein Pro application, just let me know. We will adapt it accordingly. Adapt it accordingly. I mean, we will adapt anything. And look at this. This is the blog that our current cloud version. This is how it is. It crafted these blogs. Also, if you can press on insert, I can press on chart and it will generate the charts. This is the cloud version. So far, as you can see that there, when I'm pressing on insert, wait, because now it's locked till this one is generating. And I'll show you also the local version and the update, which I'm currently trying to implement to the cloud version. So if I'm gonna, let's say, select this one, because we had some blogs, you know, look at this. It creates the, well, it creates the charts. It did better, by the way, than it was before, which is very good. But if I'm going to go right now in our cloud version, I'm going to show you. It crafts, update from paragraph to these, because we had only paragraph, table, image, and chart. These are possibilities to insert between any paragraph inside any blog, just for information. But now, now the options that are available inside are just out of this world, guys. Let me show you. I'll just try to open, I'll do a hard reset right now. So I'll be able just to show you exactly like the difference between the local version and the cloud version and the updates that will be coming now to the cloud, because I'm making now all these updates using Claude Code and I'm implementing them inside our cloud version, so it'll be easier for us to set. Yeah, just give me one moment. I'm gonna go to this blog afterwards and just to review that everything is okay. So far it was creating charts. Our app, which is good charts. They don't look bad, but can be better. Definitely can be better. And how we can make them better, I'll show you. I'll press on view all. I'll wait now for the system to load, and I'll just show you exactly what it does. So look at this. This is exactly the same as our cloud version. Oh, going back here, edit draft. So this is the cloud. This is the local version. You can see there's a lot of similarities, but it's very different. Cover image prompts became better here, so I optimized them. And here, so I'm gonna scroll down. We already have some different fields, so you can see even here, right? Article saved successfully, which is good. And look at this, we have EAT compliance. So in case there's any faulty EAT there, like words, for example, we can fix them with just one button. So if it will be faulty, let's say a 90, we can just press, boom, and it will be fixed. Here we have already an audio summary.
How to automate internal linking for SEO growth in 2026. Ever feel like...
So any blogs that will be generated will contain also an audio. And let's say here, if I press on insert, you can see paragraph, table, and image. But look at this, guys. If I press here, boom, you have the same, but now in text, you have bullet, number, list, block codes, paragraph, short, medium, or long, or checklist. You have different sort of tables, not only one. Comparison, feature matrix, pros, pricing, key takeaways, interactive checklist. For images, it's not only one, but now you can choose what sort of image you want to insert inside. An infographic, again, it's just chart, but now you have pie charts, line charts, area charts, radar, radial, and flow diagrams. So even I press now on radar chart, for example, it will insert inside. Same as here, if I'm going to press on chart, it will insert a chart inside the blog. But now look at the difference, because this one, wow. Imagine, this is not an image. Guys, this is not an image. This is a chart. This is a full chart. Okay, here I will fix this text. So I'll work that on the cloud. But look now at the difference between these two. Okay, here there's only one chart, basically this, because this is the current cloud. But now, let's say I will choose maybe a flow diagram, for example, and it's done very fast. And once again, this is not an image. This is a full chart, well set and programmed. And wow, look at this. It creates also these flow charts, for example. Also, okay, here I will check again the text in between, because maybe it can be better. Radial chart. You can also create radial charts, but here once again you can just create one. So this is the update. Also the next, after I pass the projects, we're going to have also these. And I imagine if I'm going to press on preview here and press on preview here, I want it to let me know which one is better. Here we have an audio. Straight away we have charts inside our blogs. We have flows, blah blah blah. Images, and this is done all with AI, which is very good. Also here is very well set. We had these graphs which were okay, but I wanted to make them better. That's why I added these. These options of insertion, so the users were gonna have more possibility to check and of course to edit, because here on the cloud version I wasn't able to edit anything, but on the update that's coming right now that I'm setting up, we can have also edit. So maybe if I want to have different numbers, I can add them here. Yeah, just for information. So this is the local version right now, making updates with Claude Code, and he's doing his job right now. And let me see exactly what it is. Okay, now this part, this agent right here, he already gave us some ideas. I mean, because I'm trying to update the business intelligence with relevant parts. So here, I discovered that business intelligence already exists in the cloud version with BO credits and all cloud features. So what specific updates from the local version? Because I fed here my local version. So compare all files and apply any improvements? Yes. But what else there is? Fix specific bugs or missing features, update UI UX. Okay, synchronize prompts and AI behaviors. All of the above, but make sure cloud specific functions are properly adapted. Boom. Next, visual diff. Looking at the screenshot, are there any visuals or functional differences you want addressed? So yes, yes, yes. Submit. Okay, so now we have an agent that at least will gonna work for the next 10-20 minutes, which is good. And now this agent is, so the fix is simple, blah blah blah. I'll just try to refresh right now the page. So Rankenstein, not Rankenstein, here we have the localhost 3000 / Rankenstein. Okay, now let's test. So I'll paste here an error. So boom, fix. I mean, I'm trying to enter the app, but we have here an ECMAScript file, had an error. This is get page URLs, website string something. So it crashed the application, but no problem. I mean, anything can be fixed. I just copied it and I just inserted it inside Claude Code. And Abracadeus Maximus is playing poker and listening to me. Watch me also. And I hope you get some good results there, Mr. Abracadeus Maximus. I hope go all in, man, when you have, I hope you'll get a full house. And best of luck to your poker game. So let's see what else we've got here. So we have the Rankenstein application. Okay. This is our cloud version right here. I will also at the same time just double check a few things. Okay, so here in recommended next steps, I recommend testing the backend first. Option A, test backend now. Recommend. Option B, complete full implementation. Minimal UI update. Yeah. Option B. Hey, Mr. Prismaton. Good morning and welcome. Oh, wait a moment. I think here, because just now I'm unable. Can I react to your messages on YouTube? I think I'm unaware. I think not. Oh, here also I'm gonna put Rankenstein.pro, the website. So maybe in future. So join waitlist. Here I can just press. Here I can pin, I think, messages. Boom, message pinned. I didn't know you can pin messages. Cool. Mr. Prismaton, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm really glad you like the stuff, man. Really. Thank you. And also here I'm gonna put the AI Marketing Hub. So maybe in future, people that don't know about AI Marketing Hub, so join our community. Pro. And okay. Okay, cool. I mean, I just pinned right now a message just for future reference for anyone. So if you want to join the hub or if you want to test the app now live as we speak, I mean, you can do that. So here, I mean, and hi there once again. So we have an agent right now working on specific updates. So I will currently optimize the application. So far, this is the interface, how it looks. I mean, it's more simple than the cloud. So this is the cloud, and this is the current one update. Guys, everyone, anyone, 8 people watching right now, guys, please, I need your help. Look at this. Tell me which one you like more. This one on the right or left? Write a comment. Left, right, please. Do you like this part more, or do you like this design more? Which one you think is better, left or right? Just to know, so I can just to adapt the styles accordingly, you know? Do you like left or do you like right? Colors, because this one is more like bluish and this one more is orangish in a way. So just let me know which one you like more, so I'll just to have it for reference. So maybe just leave a comment. Left? Really? You like the left one? Why? I think because of styles. The sidebar. Yeah, sidebar looks cool, right? But here I already removed the content calendar. What specific components? I think maybe it's the button. Recent articles. Articles. Isn't it too hard, by the way? I mean, because for me, my main mission was to like hey, to simplify and to make it easier. So maybe, you know what? I'll maybe put projects here, same as it is here. So maybe I'm gonna put projects. Maybe I'm gonna apply the same color to the both sides, because this is the cloud version. This is the current updating version that I'm currently updating. Yeah, I can do that. I mean, we don't have any more now the content calendar. I removed it from the, because I'm updating right now, right? So I'm removing the content calendar for now because it was a little bit faulty. And yeah, so here the sidebar on the left looks better, but here the menu looks better. So maybe I'll try to adapt specific elements from here. Maybe add a blue, maybe more to the projects, add the projects, and I think it'll do its job well. Okay, good to know, guys. Ah, the little demo hero section on the page. Thank you, man. Yeah, I mean, you know, just for your info, what I did, because I had already the first version of the application, guys. Because if you want, anyone that's watching right now, like a cool tip for you, if you want to put maybe the same features, you know. So what I did, I hope it helps you, because maybe if you want to build your own SaaS and you have an application and you don't know what to do with that application and how to set it up, this is the website of our Rankenstein Pro. So here in the website, you can see that this is, you know, everything is clickable. Like, wow. I mean, I don't know if you have many demo websites that have this functionality. So what I did, because we already have the application, right? So I embedded the visuals of this application inside the dashboard. It took me some time, and just for information, I built this whole website in just 1 week with the help of Claude Code. So fully interactive functional website is set here, and everything was done using Claude Code, and I'm very, very, very grateful for that, really. I mean, this was not possible 1 month ago to do, you know, with Lovable or any other sort of application. But yep, this is our website. Everything here is well set, you know, well designed and put. Everything is functional. We have the schema on the website. We just did not index it yet because we're planning to update the application yet, so we are not indexing till then. But it's a fully interactive website. No Shopify, no WordPress, no Webflow can allow you to do this, I think, and it's damn fantastic. I mean, look at this website. It's clean vibe coded with Claude Code right here. Yeah, even the about page. Look at this. It's me right here, and this is Benji, and this is Benjamin. Guys, look at this. Even the images, both. It's like, you know, connected, and the styles and everything, you know. So we are the founders, by the way, of Rankenstein Pro. Currently, we are doing the production platform, Rankenstein Pro. You can join the waitlist. But this website, again, was vibe coded, following the exact same concept of Claude Code right here, same as I'm updating right now the application. So yeah, here to win. Hey, Abracadeus Maximum once again. What PC specs you have? This is what I was asked right here. So it reminds me cursor. Yeah, right? It does look like cursor. I did use it for reference, by the way. And Abracadeus Maximus, if really my computer sucks, it's a laptop. It's not even a super high-end computer. I'll even show you my my specs. Wait. So let's say PC, right? I think it was view your PC name. I think system settings. Yeah. I'll even show you my PC specs. Look at this. I mean, it's nothing hard, really. I mean, look at how poor this. I think your computer, even my phone, my mobile phone, which is a Pixel 8, is more powerful than my current laptop. So no excuses that you cannot build. No excuses that, hey, oh my god, my computer is too hard. No, that's all bullshit. These are my specs. Mr. Abracadabras Maximus. So as you can see, it's not like wow, hard computer. It's just super basic. It's a laptop. And yeah, just this 16 GB RAM, graphics cards 4 GB, AMD Ryzen 5600 with Radeon graphics. I mean, quite simple setup, you know, nothing complicated. Even my phone is more stronger than this computer, but it's still doing its job very well, right? I mean, I hope this motivated somehow. So, okay, so let's see. First, I want to check, and I have to be very, very, very careful. So considerations for cloud version, user ID and authorization, credit system, BIOC integration, error tracking, performance, security. I like this. I want this. So I will always copy this for future reference. Critical consideration. I will open a note. Just to keep in mind for the future agents that I'm going to give the prompt, I will just paste this. I will accept this plan because it's a good plan. Now moving to the next one. So let's say here, success criteria, database schema, successfully migrated with cloud features, blah, 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 estimated scope, new files, 5-6 new files, modified files, okay. I'll yes, and I'll accept. I will go here to bypass permission and bypass permission. So at least now as I'm gonna talk, at least these two agents will work. Just focusing here to win. And Abracadabras Maximus. You mentioned here that just focusing here to win. To win what exactly? What do you want to win? Do you want to win a woman's heart? You want to win, I don't know, a hackathon? You want to, what do you want to win? Tell me. And Mr. Prismaton. Yes, this is, by the way, the design itself was inspired by Cursor, because if really, I mean, I can't tell any company that achieved success very fast. I mean, it's Cursor. And they're doing a phenomenal job. Cursor is just nailing it. The same goes with Claude Code, and these tools are getting better and better and better. It was used for inspiration, and it's fantastic. Same as Rankenstein Pro. I mean, you can see that there's a little bit of resemblance here and there, but I just took as inspiration Cursor because I love them. I mean, Cursor, it's no comment. Anyone that knows here what Cursor is, it's fantastic. But same as Rankenstein. So Rankenstein, we're gonna be the same as Cursor, but the world's finest SEO article creation system. Okay, there's an error here that I'll also try to fix afterwards. Going back to my local host. 2 agents working. And let's see what other things here. So the poker hand. What was super cool too, if you remember. Oh yes, exactly. Mr. Prismaton. Yes, exactly. You know, wow, Vercel, man. Vercel. I mean, I love Vercel. I respect them, again, so much, because what they've done, and just many people, they don't, I think they don't get it exactly what Vercel is. But guys, one of the first ever vibe-coded tools in the world, I mean, just for information, was, one of the first was V0. So V0 is owned by Vercel. Just for information, it's a vibe coding application. And Vercel, they are the creator of Next.js. If any of you knows what Next.js is, it's a programming language. Also, like Vercel is the grandfather of this programming language. I mean, he's the father because they created Next.js, and they have also V0. And even before Lovable or Base44 or AI Studio or whatever vibe-coded application was popular, they were doing their silent job here. And this is Vercel V0. You can also vibe code stuff here. You can try it out, but they are one of the first that created vibe coding itself. I mean, Prisma, yes, you are right here. Like Vercel, even before I remember the landing page, it was really well. It was really good. I mean, full respect on that. I wanted to win at poker. Okay, so Mr. Abracadeus Maximus. Are you playing poker now? Let's say online. Because if you want, I will just share with you a very cool tip. You can either use Manos or you can use Claude Code. There is one app. I will. By the way, I'll just turn off my screen just for a few moments. Right here. I'll just for 2 minutes. Anyway, look at this. If I'm gonna go, let's say, to Playwright, or if you have not VS Code, or imagine, let's say, Playwright. What it enables you to your AI models. It can enable, let's say, Claude or Gemini or whatever. It will enable it to control your website or to take screenshots. So now, Mr. Abracadeus Maximus, you say that I wanted to win at poker. So for you to win at poker, you need to have proper calculation. Don't forget, it's also a job, of course, of fluff, no fluff, but also it's a job. Poker is a game of probabilities. Now, to calculate specific probabilities, it's quite hard, but it's not impossible. Even 1% can help you a lot, especially in poker, because I was playing poker quite a lot also in the past. And you can use Claude Code. You can install this Playwright to it. It will take screenshots. And if you want even for the AI to play for you poker, you can do that. But at least you can get, like, let's say, a probability information. Let's say when you're playing poker, like, hey, what's the probability for you to win with 2 kings, for example, during this specific pre-flop or whatever there is, and you can win. You can nail it also using Claude Code or even Manos or whatever. So everything can be done. And look at this. This agent right now has finished. And now what I will gonna do, I will review his work. I'll minimize this a bit. I'll put this one here. Just like this. So change completed. So business intelligence UI improvements. So now what I'm gonna do, I will go to view Intel and I will check that all the information was properly set. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. I will even go back. I will go on business Intel. I will regenerate once again just in case, and I will compare with my local application. Where was my local app? I think it was this. No, maybe it was this. Yes. Here I had it on local host 4000. Right there. And wow, guys, 10 people watching right now live. Welcome everyone. I'm really glad everyone is here. Minus two already left. But I'm so glad that all of you are watching right now. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. Don't be shy. Share some comments. If you have any questions, today what we're doing, we're vibe coding, vibe updating, vibe coding updating vibe coding, whatever you can name it, our current Rankenstein Pro application. So this is Rankenstein Pro. We are vibe code updating this application using Claude Code, now live as we speak. Right now I'm inside the business intelligence, so I will want to review right now that. So I'll do a hard refresh right here. And this is our local application that I was working on before, and we will just apply just a few updates. By the way, Mr. Abracadeus Maximus, you asked here, do you have coding skills before doing vibe coding? And I will tell you one secret. No. I do not have any coding skills. I did have just some basic understanding. I started understanding code, if really, when I started doing unattended workflows because of JSON expressions, but I didn't know shit before. Like 1 year ago, I didn't know nothing about coding. Even now, I mean, I'm okay in coding, not the best, but I'm using reasoning and logic because Claude Code handles all the coding for me. So even if you don't know coding, it's okay. I mean, the most important thing is for you to know language. So yeah, I mean, that's what I'm doing even right now. Now I've got these two, and now I'll check that all the components were updated. So now we have also these, perfect. We have brand personality here, perfect and well set. I'm able to edit, yes, able to edit, perfect. Moving forward, people ask is okay, customer journey is well set as per my standards, and get started, primary, but here we have more keywords, okay. But here, on our current application, the contrast here it's very bad. Other than that, everything works. So now, just a small update. I will go back to Claude Code, the agent that was responsible of the updates. Here, yeah, chat completed, but I successfully completed all the business intelligence. So here, I'll just screenshot. Great job updating. Now, please review the CTA box, call to action. The contrast of the primary button is bad, as it is dark and I can barely see. I can barely see it. Please update. Make sure it follows our orange UI button colors. Yeah, just like that. And right now, this agent, what we're gonna do, he will update here and he will fix this contrast. Not bad for readability, right? Other than that, I mean, good job. Yeah, good job. I will even try once again to regenerate to see that, hey, this function is properly working. So far, keywords are done, internal links are done, design systems are done. Oops, and this agent right here, this agent is taking care of brand photos right now. So after that, after this agent will finish, I will just review the step. I will compare it to the current version that I have, and basically that's it. And here I am once again, guys. Hi there. So yeah, guys, I mean, I don't know if you vibe coded, but if you vibe coded, or if you coded, or if you created any sort of application, or if you're scared of creating anything, don't be scared, guys. I mean, here I'm just sitting with you. I'm just explaining you exactly how to do it. You just need a Claude Code subscription, or even a Gemini. Maybe you can use it. You don't need to use VS Code. You can use just even Cursor with Gemini, or even ChatGPT. You can do that. I mean, it's quite nice and simple. So please do that. I mean, it's vibe coding is not hard. And let's see that the button was fixed. I'm gonna press until this guy said he finished. So let's see. Boom. The button here is fixed. So this job with the business intelligence was done perfectly. It works well. Also, later I will check the interconnection. But now business intelligence is also crossed. And now here, again, this agent worked quite a lot. He has a big context window, right? Guys, once again, / clear conversation. Okay, now let's see what else is. It's our EEAT signals. I'm going to press on your signals, and again, I will compare it with my current local application. Okay, going back here. Now, EEAT signals is quite tricky, so we need to check that everything is set properly, because we want to have relevant sources. First thing first, which is very important, is for us to have proper sources that we're getting the information from, you know. So we need to be very, very, very careful about that. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna review the changes made, and afterwards just update accordingly. So let's see EAT signals. And let's review. Now here, went to site, if really everything was incorporated correctly before, because I did set it before. Secondary, primary, but why all of them are primary? Okay, secondary and primary. Okay. Possibility of editing is there, which is good. And we can also view other links. Okay, everything works. Can I delete? Delete? Yep, Tech Lab. Okay, it was deleted properly. Experience and expertise, company, EAT, topical authority, content gaps, and citation templates. This is good, but I also want to have more control. So the thing is that about these fields, yes, we can edit and we can delete, but these ones we cannot. So it'll be quite bad for usability. And now what we're gonna do, we will take this and we're going to add editing option same as there is here. So path, I would say projects, then EAT signals. What I want. First, to be able to edit delete or edit, copy and delete any other box fields like company EAT signals, which is basically this box, right? The topical authority boxes, recommendations, content gaps, and citation templates. Yeah. Same as we are able to edit, delete, or copy the initial authoritative sources section. And I'll just screenshot this part, just like this. Boom. And basically what this prompt is, I'm going to just change now to not to bypass or ask, just to plan. So first I want to plan it first. I'm sending right now the request. And now Claude will first read my query, exactly what I want, because what I want is that you can see here, you can edit, you can delete, copy, or also redirect, because here it's a link. Same, we have other options here, which is company EAT signals. This is very good and very useful. But let's say, of course, AIs can make mistakes, or maybe sometimes this information, maybe some of it will not be okay as per the user, or etc. and so on. So we do want to have the possibility to edit any parts we want, because all this information is used during our research phase, our content phase. So it's very important. And yeah, just to add the possibility to copy if you want to update it by ourselves manually with the help of other AI, and also to delete or edit if that's the possibility. Oh, and also to be able to add sections if possible. Manual add. Yeah, that was very important because I forgot. So let's see if we can delete, of course, for us to have the possibility to add a source, right? Same as it is in add the source and authoritative sources, we can have them here also. So EAT signals, by the way, is part is basically done. Just that option to be put there. This agent is working already for the past half an hour. If really, wow. I hope he did great. I hope he did well. If he did not, then what to do? So, keywords works well. Internal links, perfect. Design systems, perfect. Business intel, perfect. EAT signals, almost perfect. Now it's just this agent is doing the updates, yeah? Now next I will check the integration and then the AI memory. But the integration, I cannot fully check it yet because we need to post. We need to make a post. And this will be done after projects part, because now we're editing the projects part right here. So just wait for it to load. We are editing now the projects part, and after we are done with the project part, we will move to the new article. Wow, that's a big arrow, man. Let me try to make it smaller. Okay, now we're gonna move to the new article right here. So now what we're doing the projects part, where we are gathering the initial business intelligence that will help us with the research, that will help us when we are creating content, so that content, those images or anything else, for them to be relevant to our blog. But I think this part, everyone, I think we will cover in the next session, because in half an hour I've got a call and I also need to go to that call. Need to enjoy and drink a coffee also because it's important. And I think I will close this session right now. And I just want to wrap up everything that we've done so far. So today in this video we have vibe code updated our current project section. I will still maybe turn on another live, maybe in 1 or 2 hours, just to continue working on this. And I think soon I will also reach my cloud limit, most probably. But guys, I hope you learned a lot. I hope you learned something. I hope you're using Cloud Code for anything, because it's not only for applications. You can use it for doing anything if really. I mean, it has control of all the files if you want to. So if you want to even create a Google Sheets or enter in the internet or anything else, that can be done with Cloud Code. There's many things. There's no limitations if really. The only limit here is your imagination. And don't be lazy, just be consistent, because if you're not consistent in these things, guys, then you will lose this race. It's like, hey, now it's the hype, now is the time for you to build something. So let's say maybe if you have a manicure salon and you're making manicure for people, or your wife has a manicure salon, for example, it's just a reference, yeah. You can now update that website, make it so people will reach the business of your wife that has manicure salon, for example. Yeah, you can do that. All the information is there. The most important part is just to be aware exactly of how to use these systems, because even now, right now, these two Cloud Code agents, as you see right here, so these two Cloud Code agents, they're doing their job. One is fixing the brand photos, another one is fixing here the EAT signals. And same, you can just create your app. I mean, same as I did right now with Rankenstein Pro, because this is the main point of the current live that I'm currently performing, right? Rankenstein Pro, even the same website, was done using Cloud Code. The exact same process, guys. I was staying just here, but without a camera. I was doing it a little bit in silent, but I'm like, hey, I think it's time to show to the people exactly what I'm working on. This website, I've done it in just 1 week, following the same concept. I had 3 agents. You can use even more if you have the possibility, but it's quite draining if really. So be very careful. Don't forget to hydrate also. Let's say even this website, I vibe coded with Cloud Code, and it's doing wonders. Even now, it's fully interactive. Every button is clickable. You can even go right now Rankenstein Pro and you can test it out. I mean, this is one of the projects that I'm currently building from the Rankenstein series, because this is Rankenstein version 9 Pro. We had version 4, N10 workflow 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is it. So please join the waitlist. I mean, if you want to try it out, or if you want to try it now, today, we have the beta testing opened, you can see in our AI Marketing Hub Pro community, by the way. We have the free community here, guys, where we have all the workflows, even the past Rankenstein V9. We have them here inside the classroom and inside the automation build. We have all the workflows here that can help you start, that will give you a jump start. These are all N10 workflows, but all of these can be turned into an application, same as I did with Rankenstein V9.2. I transformed this N10 workflow now into full-scale application, which is currently live. We are optimizing, and it's me and Benji right there. We are just updating, keeping updating, even as we speak right now. But we have all the workflows inside the community. It's well, this is the pro community. It's paid, but we have the free community, which is free, guys. So don't go straight away and join the pro one. I mean, I'm not trying here to sell you anything. I'm just trying to show you here value. So AI Marketing Hub, we have a lot of templates inside the classroom, the exact same as is in Pro. But if you want to test now, beta, test our application, you can do so by being part of our community. But later than that, I mean, later we're going to have just proper login, sign up button. You'll have maybe a limited credit system of, let's say, 1000 credits per day, per month. Maybe that will be enough for like 15 or 20 blocks, because our main mission today is, of course, first one, our main goal is our vision is to become the world's finest SEO article creation system, which we are doing right now. And of course, one of the missions is to help you rank. We want to make, because there's so many like really cool businesses, guys. I'm serious. I have 2 friends and they're building something also fantastic. Like one is a quantum agentic system. Wow. I mean, there's so many cool businesses, and not all businesses are heard. Why? Because people don't know marketing. And if you don't do a proper marketing, I mean, doesn't matter how good of a product is. If it doesn't reach the correct audience, then the project is failed, And that's what we want to do with Rankenstein Pro. We want to make sure that, hey, if there's a business, they can just create some articles and blogs and just publish them online so people will know more about their business. So the right audience will find the right business, because our mission is to help you rank, and our goal is to become the world's finest SEO optimized article creation system. Guys, I'm gonna finish right now the session. If you want to rewatch it from the beginning, you can do so. I will start maybe another live one, maybe in 2 hours, or if not, then tomorrow. I'm just gonna go have some food, have a little bit of rest. You also just have some rest. Don't forget to hydrate, because it's very important. Join our AI Marketing Hub, because I really love to see you there, guys. We can even do some chats. And really glad that you've been here live. So once again, thank you everyone for watching. We're closing right now the session. This is these live sessions. I was just showing you how I'm updating Rankenstein Pro. I'm gonna go now have a small break, have some food. I'll drink some tea. I recommend you also. And if you want to again to rewatch it, check it once again back in 2 hours. And yeah, once again, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.